Looking for the best mobile phone but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best mobile phone based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy A57. If you're tired of carrying around a bulky phone that weighs you down all day, this phone is a total game changer. It's lightweight, slim, and designed to fit seamlessly with your everyday style. With an elevated design that's both stylish and functional, it's the perfect companion for anyone who wants a phone that keeps up with their active lifestyle. The Super AMOLED Plus display is where this phone really shines, offering a vivid viewing experience with slimmer bezels that make you feel like you're right in the action. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite show or scrolling through social media, the visuals are stunning. The camera is also incredibly versatile, with a triple-lens setup that lets you capture everything from breathtaking landscapes to low-light videos with ease. And with a massive 5000 mAh battery and 45W super fast charging, you can use this phone all day long without worrying about running out of power. Plus, with fast performance that keeps you connected at all times, you can stream videos, share photos, and video call without any interruptions. It's a total winner in our books. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy A17 Smart Phone 128GB. Imagine scrolling through your favorite recipe app on your phone while cooking dinner. The vibrant colors and clear text make all the difference in getting that perfect dish just right. That's what this phone's ultra-clear 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display is all about, bringing your content to life in a way that's simply stunning. And when you're done cooking and need to catch up with loved ones, this phone's fast charging capabilities mean you can get back to video chatting sooner. But what really sets it apart is the triple-lens camera that captures every angle in crystal-clear clarity, making your memories truly picture-perfect. Plus, with up to 2 TB of expandable storage, you can keep all your cherished moments within easy reach. And to top it all off, this phone is built to last with a durable design that can withstand splashes and dust. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy A17 Smart Phone 128GB US 1-year manufacturer warranty large AMOLED. Are you looking for a phone that can keep up with your active lifestyle without breaking the bank? Look no further, because this device has got you covered. With its ultra-clear 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite content in stunning clarity, whether you're scrolling through recipes or video chatting with loved ones. Plus, its super fast charging feature will power up your battery so you can get back to life sooner, making it perfect for anyone who's always on the go. The triple-lens camera is also a standout feature, capturing every angle in stunning clarity, from wide family photos to close-ups of friends. And with up to 2 TB of expandable storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your cherished photos, videos, and important files. On top of that, it's built to last, with an improved IP54 rating and a stronger yet slimmer design that's even more durable than before. Overall, this device is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed phone that won't break the bank. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you're tired of fumbling for your phone to adjust the screen when someone walks into the room, this device is about to become your new best friend. The built-in privacy display takes care of that problem automatically, hiding your screen from prying eyes and giving you that extra layer of security and discretion. It's preset to turn on when you're receiving notifications, typing passwords, or using specific apps, so you can stay focused and not worry about what's on your screen. But that's not all. This device also lets you transform any photo in seconds with Photo Assist, using Galaxy AI to add objects, restore details, or apply new styles with just a few taps. And when the sun goes down, nightography kicks in, capturing moments after dark with crystal-clear results, whether it's a gig, city lights, or just a quiet night in. With built-in editing tools, you can turn everyday moments into something special, and now Nudge helps you stay on top of your tasks and respond faster with smart suggestions from Galaxy AI, all in one seamless package. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S26. If you're anything like me, You've probably found yourself stuck in a situation where a photo just isn't good enough, maybe it's a little too dark, or the moment is lost in the background. That's where this phone comes in, with a feature that lets you enhance any shot in seconds using AI-powered photo editing. It's as simple as typing or tapping what you want to add, restore, or change, and you're done, no complicated editing software needed. But this phone isn't just for photographers, it's also a creative powerhouse with tools to turn everyday moments into something special, like making a custom contact photo or designing a personalized invitation. And with its fast AI-accelerated performance and vibrant display, you'll get to enjoy your favorite videos like never before. Plus, a wider front camera makes group selfies a breeze, no one gets left out of the moment. Overall, this phone is a must-have for anyone who wants to capture and share life's special moments with ease. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.